Welcome back to the only WordPress tutorial you will ever need. This is Michael Joshua from easyassmarketing.com, and we are getting ready to jump into Module 6, Changing the Theme. This is the first step in building your website. So there are only 12 slides, but it might be a kind of lengthy tutorial because there are a lot of things we're going to cover right here. So first of all, I want you to go into your address bar on your browser and put in your domain URL. As you can see, when I did that with mine, I got this right here, which is not my site. It's actually a placeholder put there by GoDaddy or HostGator. I'm not sure who did this one, but in any case, it's a placeholder. It means that your site has not been fully propagated to the HostGator servers. So you can do a couple of things here to make sure that you've done everything right, and it's just a timing issue. First of all, try a hard refresh. Hold down the Control key and the Function 5 key at the same time to do a refresh, and it bypasses your cache, just in case this image has been cached from before, and that's the reason you're seeing it. Another thing you can do is go to the Who Is lookup page. This is the page right here to put into your address bar, whois.com/whois. Once you get this image right here, pop your domain name into here, click the search bar, and what it's going to do is tell you all about your domain. It's going to give your name or your business name, however you registered it, your address, your phone number, and it's also going to tell you where the domain is pointing. So if you look at that and it does not say ns6213.hostgator.com, and 6213 is just an example. It's going to be ns and 4 digits.hostgator.com. If it doesn't say that, then that means when you did the point from GoDaddy to HostGator, something went wrong. So go back to that particular video. Before you go any further now, just go ahead and close this one. Go back to the video where you're pointing your domain to HostGator. Go through that again and try it again, and let's see if there's something that you need to change. Now, mine, of course, has propagated by the time that I got ready to do this video. So if you look right here, this is what my site actually looks like. And it certainly isn't a killer website at this point. This is just the beginning. This is the default theme that WordPress chose when I set up my WordPress installation. But this is not what it's going to be when it's done. This is just the beginning. So next, I want you to log into your WordPress site. This is where the fun starts. So up in your address bar, key in your domain /wp-admin. As you can see right here, it is your site, WP-admin. It doesn't matter whether you have capitals in your domain name. So for mine, it could be buildmywordpresssite.com, and I could have caps all over it. What does matter is this all has to be lowercase. If you don't put WP-admin in lowercase, it's going to give you what's called a 404 page, an error page saying the page doesn't exist. So put that in the address bar and click go, enter whatever it is you click to move on into that page, and this is what you're going to get. Now, when you set up your WordPress site, if you remember, there was a username and a password, and you got that in an email, plus you saw it on the screen. So place that username and that password right here, click login, and that's going to take you to your WordPress dashboard. This is it, and this is where all the magic happens. This is where you're going to actually start customizing, building your theme, and actually building your online presence that you wanted to build when you bought this tutorial. As you can see, if you click on, let me see, right here, Appearance. If you click on Appearance, you're going to get a drop down that also lets you choose themes. So that's what you want to pick for this next piece. And you're going to get a page that this is only part of the page because it's a pretty big page. So I just grabbed a couple of images off of it. This is the theme that's active on my site, the 2014 theme. It's a generic theme provided by WordPress, and it's the one that they chose to activate when they built mine. They very well could have chosen a different one for yours. You could have 2012, 2013, you could have something completely different. At that point, it doesn't matter. But this is why mine looks like it does, is because they've chosen the 2014 theme for me. So now what we're going to do is install a new theme. I gave you as a bonus the resizable theme, which is a premium theme that works and is supposed to resize itself for mobile applications. So your website will always look good whether they're on a desktop or they're on a mobile, and that's what you really need nowadays. You've got to have something that works on mobile. So if you have not downloaded it, you can key in this URL right here into your address bar, and it's going to bring up this window right here. It's going to bring this, and you're just going to save the file somewhere onto your computer so that you know where it is, because you're going to need it in just a moment. But if you didn't get this already when you had the free downloads, please go get it now, because it will be much more effective to go through the training if we're all using the same theme. You don't have to keep it. You might not like it. That's okay. But let's just get through the training on the same theme. So now you're going to click the Add Now button. Once you do that, it's going to open this little dialog box. You're going to browse to the place that you saved the resizable theme on your computer. Once you click on it, this will not be grayed out any longer. You can say Install Now. Once you do that, WordPress will do everything in the background and install the theme. The next window that pops up is this confirmation, and this is going to tell you that the theme has installed successfully, and then we're going to activate it. If there's any issue, if it doesn't work, just go back to your dashboard and start again. Go back. Let's see, right here where you pick the Add Now button and just start all over again. Add Now, Browse, Install Now. Just do that, and you need to get this installed successfully bar so that you can move forward. Now click the Activate, and then you're going to get this screen that says New Theme Activated. This is the new theme, and I know it still doesn't look like much, but we've only just begun, so don't worry about that. Now we're going to click Visit Site, and this is my new website. Now we're going to change a lot of the stuff. We're going to change colors. We're going to do all kinds of things, but this is the beginning. You now have a brand new theme that you're going to customize as we go through the rest of the tutorial and build a site that you can be proud of. So I'll see you back here in Module 7. This is Michael Joshua from EasyAskMarketing.com.